everyone! This time last year I gave veganuary a go and it changed my life for the better. Many of you are trying this vegan for a month challenge this year, so I'll be showing you what are the 10 essential items that should be on your grocery shopping list to save the stress of vegan shopping for the first time. First no-brainer must-haves on the list are fresh fruits and vegetables. Fruits are great for breakfast smoothies, acai bowls or snacks on the go, whilst vegetables will serve as basic ingredients for your main courses packed with vitamins. Nothing beats a stir fry, which is super easy, quick and delicious. If you ever wondered where vegans get their protein from, beans are excellent sources of protein. I like stocking up on my favorite types of beans such as black beans, kidney beans, butter beans. They make a great free bean curry. Beans are nutrition dense, containing folate to help you combat tiredness and other important nutrients such as zinc, iron, magnesium and fiber. Pasta I always stock up on when I do my monthly grocery order, just because I simply adore a pasta dish so much. Always had and always will. But besides that fact, I find that it is one of the quickest meals to make that will stop your stomach from rumbling. A bit of vegan pesto, pine nuts and penne and I'm in heaven. My morning coffee is not complete without my favorite oat milk. I personally love the brand Oatly, super creamy and it froths nicely. In my view, it beats milk 1,000 times taste-wise, but also it is high in protein, low in fat, provides both flavor and nutrition. I often use it for cooking as well, like for my favorite bechamel sauce in this layered cauliflower recipe. When I went vegan, my biggest fear was giving up cheese, so I have tried numerous vegan cheeses. My all-time favorite is the much hyped smoked Gouda slices from Follow Your Heart, but I also like their pepper jack style one. As for cream cheese, I love the brand Cheese. Their herb and garlic cream cheese, or shall I say cheese, is amazing. Whilst recently I rather try to reduce fat and buy vegan cheese less regularly, I think they are great options if you have no time to cook and just want to grab a quick sandwich. By the way, if you are up for a challenge, you could also make your own vegan cheese. Tofu is another love of my life. I love trying out different types, but one staple that I always have in the fridge is smoked tofu. It already has a great flavor, but if you add some spices and fry it crispy, it is super delicious. Again, it is a good source of protein, valuable source for iron, calcium, magnesium, just to mention a few. To add some good fats to my meals, I like having an avocado available for my weekend staple breakfast, avocado on toast with some tomatoes. Another good fat I like to have stocked up on is hummus. It's part of our favorite easy cold cut snack type dinner along with some salad, olives and falafels. If you are into cooking like I am and are exploring vegan cooking, you need to have nutritional yeast in the kitchen. It is super delicious and provides a cheesy taste to your dish. Plus, it can be used to add extra protein, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants to your meals. As for sweeteners, a couple of alternatives for honey are agave or maple syrup. I mostly use them during cooking for additional flavor in sauces or marination. However, as with most of the sweeteners, they are best to be consumed in moderation. Lastly, very obvious items on the shopping list are spices. Seasoning can take the taste of a dish to the next level, so stock up and experiment with cumin, turmeric, smoked paprika, herbs, pepper and salt. There is no tasteless vegan food. So these are the 10 items I recommend you include on your vegan grocery shopping list. I hope you found this useful and you are enjoying veganuary or whenever you are on your vegan journey. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye my loves!